Hi, Naraya. I'm just going to walk you through how to get to Flipgrid and make sure that you're logging in the correct email so that it goes through to our classroom Flipgrid. I tried calling you, but no one picked up, so I decided to make this video to help walk you through it. So first you'll wanna, if you haven't already, you'll wanna bookmark. See all of these, I've got a lot of bookmarks. But right here, there's a star. You'll wanna bookmark this website. So I'll send you this link. You'll click on the website link in the email. And then once it brings you to this page, I want you to hit this star up here. And then it will bookmark and then press OK, and it will bookmark it up here so that you won't have to go and search for the link. So it's right here. Every time I click on this, it brings me right to this website. Okay, so make sure you're taking your attendance right here every day. And then our morning meeting Flipgrid is right here. Okay, so if I click on that, it will bring me to our morning meeting Flipgrid. Now, when you click on it, it might say sign in before you can get here. You'll want to click on your name, but your Gmail. So our district has an email for you, and it should pop up saying Harrington N, and then at isd112.org. And then there's a number in there too, but make sure you click on that before it brings you to this page. And then it should log you into the correct Flipgrid. So once you get here, you'll click on this plus sign right here and you'll record your video. So when you want to exit out of it, you'll press X, and then if you scroll down, there's a whole bunch of different things to look at here, but there's videos. If you go to this About page at the top, there is instructional videos that walks you through each part of the website so you understand how to navigate through it. So I won't do that in this video since they're already up online. But you'll look here for math every day. Okay, there's a new assignment every single day. So this was yesterday's assignment, and then you can see that Monday's is right here. Okay, so today's is up, and then reading is right here. Okay, you can look at the previous days for reading too. Science is right here. Okay, so you can look at the previous days. Now, no, it's taking a little bit to load. So if I say, so like yesterday, was it yesterday? Yes, on Tuesday. So you made a brochure, and then the kids were to present their brochure to the class on the science Flipgrid. So if I say science Flipgrid, you'll look for the button on every subject page. There's a button that says Flipgrid Science or Flipgrid Math or whatever, and then you'll click on that. And notice how it's a different Flipgrid. So this is the science Flipgrid. So you'll watch my video and then you'll record your response right here. Okay, and so there's another one for reading and writing. Same thing. Now here's your win time button and your spelling button. I think you were in yellow spellers, so you would click here for spelling every week. We've had a couple weeks of spelling. And then on the home page, I suggest you look here. You can either print it off or you can just look at it. If you click on the picture, then you can print it off, but I put it on here so you can just look at it as well. So it says what tasks you need to complete every day. So like win time, language arts. Let's see, today you don't have math or language arts. You have a Beach of Glass Classic News that was in your materials packet to read. So I'll tell you your different tasks for every week. So let me know if you get logged into Flipgrid. Also for math, well, for different subjects, but mainly for math. I've been having you, so yesterday you took a quiz, do the math quiz, upload a picture of your quiz to Seesaw. So with your Chromebook or another device, you can take a picture of your quiz, or you can email me a picture of your quiz. But this is Seesaw, so this will always be at the top if I tell you to upload a picture of your quiz to Seesaw. This way I can take assessments. So you click on the Seesaw button, and it should bring you to, well, it automatically logged me in, but it should bring you to a page, and then I should have an assignment. Like my assignment here is math quiz, so it should have an assignment, and then you can upload your quiz to that assignment so that I can look at your quiz. And then you can just close out of these.